This motor is a 4,000 horsepower motor. First testing I'm going to do is with the Agilent. The Agilent cross 3 to 6 here gives me a phase angle of 86.4 degrees. Using the All-Test 4 phase angle in manual mode only, which in this case will be done at 800 hertz. Same lead, manual mode, phase angle 74 degrees. This machine is a 1500 horsepower synchronous motor, 6-pole, with the rotor still in place. And we're going to measure, again, 4160. Start with the All-Test this time. The auto mode, so we're using the standard testing. Short the leads together. This one has carbon black in it. Insulation resistance readings look okay. Winding 1. Press continue. Okay, connect to winding 2. Just moving into 1 to 3. Press OK. This is past number of tests that are performed ahead of time on the winding. Okay, and then press again. It says connect to winding 3. Okay, and for time, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to skip the insulation test. We'll take a look at the readings. So, slightly high on the resistance. There's some contamination on the conductors. 14, and 15 ohms of impedance. That's inductive impedance. 67 degrees, 67 degrees, 66 degrees. The rotor's in place, so it causes some level of influence. Inductance, in this setting, I only get the integer, so it's 2, 2, and 3. So that's low, low, high, and that's low, low, high. So just like our polarization index, while we have carbon black on there, it hasn't penetrated anything. Minus 46, minus 46, minus 45. That follows along with the phase angle. They diverge sometimes. That's it for this one. Now we'll try the other. Okay, again, we're using the Agilent LCR meter. Starting with the first one, we're going to look at phase angle again. Following the same pattern. Okay. 79.8. 80.1. 78.3. This one is a 1250 horsepower induction machine. We'll start with the Agilent first. Okay. So we'll just connect up through volts. $82.5, again in auto mode. Join the leads together. Now, these aren't the standard leads, I just use these for quick tests. Connect to winding 1. It's also a 6-pole. Okay, press OK. Also 4160 volt motor. Okay. There we go. Press OK. Insulation test. 328, 330, 328 resistance, 56 ohms of impedance across the board, 80 degrees of phase angle, minus 48 across the board, 11 millihenries of impedance. Not going to save the readings. This one is a 400 horsepower synchronous machine. This time we'll start with the all test. Also a synchronous machine. Test. Here, I've got a difference in my phase angle. Minus 48, minus 47, minus 47. 10 millihenries, 12 and 12. 53, 62, and 60. So it's following that pattern. Now what's important about this is it is a synchronous machine. Let's take a look at the edge. Here's the phase. Phase angle, 82.3. Angle 79.5. Phase angle 79.8. The reason for the difference in phase angle on both machines is actually because of the type of rotor that's in this machine. Basically, it's a synchronous machine, so the position of the rotor affects those angles. In the next video, I'll move the shaft.